Amazon just dropped a hidden gem, the SKU Economics Report. This report tells you everything you need to know about your Amazon business. Let me show you how to access it. Okay, so first here is the announcement of the new report. We've launched a new SKU Economics Report to make financial information more accessible, right? The SKU Economics Report is a tool on SKU Central for all third-party sellers. SKU Central. I think they just made up that term, but here it is, the SKU Economics Report. To access it, you just go to sellercentral.amazon.com/SE report. So SE report. And there you go. And this is it, the SKU Economics Report. Now, I don't think this is fully optimized yet, but what you do is you click the marketplace. So let's say we're selling in the US. Let's say we just want to show our parent ASIN in the last 7 days. And then Amazon will tell us our sales data, fee data, advertising spend data, storage fee base rate and surcharges, fulfillment base rate and surcharges, net proceeds off Amazon costs. So it looks like it's giving you some extra data that a lot of other reports don't have on Amazon. And Amazon should have had these reports for a long time. Like, for example, sometimes the fulfillment base rate and surcharges, like there's not a lot of reports that have that data. You really have to go digging. So then you generate the report after this and you pull it up. And again, this is right now we're utilizing an account that's kind of like a base account that we don't use, but you can kind of see the data. It'll have your parent ASIN here, your SKU, your SKU. Also, it has your average sale price, your units sold, units returned. So you can see how many units have been returned per ASIN, which is a pretty quick data. Also your sales, your net sales, your base fulfillment fee per unit, which is pretty cool. Fulfillment fee total, FBA fulfillment fees per unit. Again, it's like the same thing. Referral fees. So what are Amazon's referral fees? It's usually 15%. Refund administration fee per unit. So if there is a refund, Amazon's charging for this product in particular, $1.80 per return. Thanks, Amazon. Sponsored products charge per unit. Sponsored products charge quantity. So it has a lot of data here. I believe Amazon's going to be optimizing in this over time. And again, this account we don't really use, so it's just for YouTube videos, but you can kind of see that this does have a lot of potential. I recommend to check out these reports just to see what it shows you. And over time, I do believe these reports are going to become a lot more powerful. Amazon's working on them in progress. You can also look at some of the comments. Some of the people are not happy it doesn't have enough data, or the data is providing a lot of duplicates, which is normal on Amazon. But I do believe in the next 6 months, probably after the holiday season, this report will be updated and it's going to help your business tremendously. So you can see, okay, this is how much I'm getting charged per return. These are all my exact fees. And then you can double check other reports and kind of go back. But this is a great monthly report to look at. And that's pretty much it for today's video. If you did learn something new, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel, because you learn about new topics and you learn about seller strategies to help you increase your sales on Amazon. If you want us to create a video for you, leave a comment. And if you need help with Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and or Etsy, contact EHP Consulting Group. We have our new service, which is our full management service, where you have your own dedicated consultant that's helping you manage your account and helping you increase your sales. It's in the description. Contact EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.